Are you ready to unleash your potential? Imagine this. You're young, full of ambition, and eager to achieve massive success at an early age. Well, I've got something special for you today. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 life-changing principles that can transform you into a millionaire while you're still in your teens or early 20s. These principles are not just some random theories. They propelled by real millionaires to become wealthy at young age and accumulate a net worth of tens of millions. Now, before we dive into these invaluable principles, let me share a little secret with you. Luck and divine timing played a significant role in my journey. But don't let that discourage you. With the right mindset and following these principles, you can create your own luck and carve out an extraordinary path for yourself. Now, let's dive into the life-changing principles that will set you on the fast track to success. Principle number 1. Embrace the journey from pawn to king. In order to become a king, you must first be willing to start as a pawn. It's about earning your stripes, respecting the process, and listening to those who have paved the way. Remember, even the greatest leaders started as humble beginners. So, embrace the valuable lessons that come with starting from the bottom and let them fuel your journey to greatness. Principle number 2. Dress for success and elevate your presence. As a young go-getter, the world may underestimate you. But here's the secret. Your appearance can amplify your credibility. Dressing in a classic and timeless style commands respect and shows the world that you mean business. Keep it simple, yet sophisticated, and let your attire be a reflection of your ambition. Principle number 3. Cultivate humility through trials and tribulations. The path to success is not always smooth sailing. It's the challenges and setbacks that shape you into a resilient individual. Engage in combat sports, immerse yourself in the business world, and let these experiences humble you. Remember, the market will test your abilities, and it's how you respond that will determine your true potential. Principle number 4. Seek meaningful connections and focus on your purpose. In your teenage years and early 20s, it's essential to prioritize your goals and relationships. Say no to casual dating and instead seek meaningful connections that support your growth and ambitions. Find a partner who believes in your dreams and shares your vision. Together, you can conquer the world. Principle number 5. Expand your influence. Keep your circle tight. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. While it's crucial to maintain a close-knit circle, strive to expand your influence within your industry. Leave no bridge burned, treat everyone with respect, and watch as doors open and opportunities multiply. Principle number 6. Handle success with wisdom and long-term thinking. Becoming a millionaire at a young age is an incredible achievement, but it's just the beginning. It's essential to manage your newfound wealth wisely. Invest in assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate or physical gold, and resist the urge to splurge on temporary pleasures. Think long-term, and your success will endure. Principle number 7. Embrace your journey and inspire others along the way. Remember, your success story is not only about personal gain, but also about inspiring others to follow in your footsteps. Share your knowledge, mentor aspiring entrepreneurs, and give back to the community. Your impact will be immeasurable, and the universe will reward you in ways you can't even fathom. So, are you ready to become the next young millionaire sensation? These 7 principles are your roadmap to extraordinary wealth and success. Don't wait another second. Start implementing them today. Together, we'll conquer the world and leave a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Stay motivated, stay hungry, and let's make your dreams a reality.